Tutor, where school is made simple. Let's go.
We're going to continue looking at geometric constructions digitally by looking at the perpendicular bisector of a segment. So first we're going to duplicate our given segment AB, and we can do that using the skills we learned in a previous video. And now I'm going to pick a point somewhere on our duplicated segment, and I'm going to use this as the foundation for what I'm about to do. I'm going to use this to be the distance between A prime and my point on the line is going to be the radius of a circle. So I create the circle and then I go to B prime and use that same radius to construct a second circle. Then I look at the intersection points of these circles. And I use these two intersection points to draw a line segment. And this segment has some very special properties. I can see that the angle formed by this red line with my duplicated segment is a 90-degree angle. So we've satisfied the first part of our term, perpendicular bisector. We've created a line that is perpendicular to our given segment. The question is, does it bisect the segment? So let's hide, if we will, this segment and look at the distances between these points. And I see that the distance between A prime and this point is exactly the same as the distance between this point and B prime. So yes, we have bisected it because they are in fact the same measure. Now, there's something interesting that happens here though when I look at this, and I want to animate this point. And notice that once it moves on one side or the other from the midpoint, we see a phenomenon. When the point that I use to construct my circles is over half of the original segment, my circles intersect. When the point is less than half the distance of the segment, then the circles do not meet. We're going to see this used again and again throughout geometry and throughout our use of constructions because it's a very powerful tool, and we'll examine it further in later videos.